carbs to fat 1800 and carbs to about 1200.
throughout the day.
So 1200 calories a day, and carbs to about 1800 calories.
Do you agree with that? No. You may be eating 1200.
Girls should eat 1200 to 1500 calories a day if they're not exercising very much.
Yeah. Anybody can tell me. You won't, the first thing you see a doctor. You are doing physics every day. You are going to see the doctor and they watch out your diet. They say, somebody in your family is diabetic. What do they say? What does the doctor say? Dietitian will come there and he says, you have to eat only so much. Even in, you go to Subway today and take that thing, they have written calories against each food. Even if you can eat 3 times or 30 times, but the total calorie you have to maintain. If you take 3, it becomes too big. In fact, in the United States, Houston has the highest, they are so big that they cannot even walk. And if they drop them on the ground, they can't get up. Gravity is so high. 5, 6 people should pull this fellow. Look at the people who work in WWE wrestling. It is very hard for them. But there they have to eat because, as I told you once, King Kong ate an omelette with 1200 eggs for a morning breakfast. 1200 eggs. You can't eat 1200 eggs. All right. You have to watch.